When was the last time you stood for 30 minutes straight and enjoyed it? Exactly. So standing desks aren't about standing all day. They are movement desks. So here's how to actually transition into your standing desk. First of all, day one, don't stand for 8 hours a day straight. Day two, you'll be sore, feet tired, achy back. Day three, back to sitting. A month later, your pricey standing desk becomes a regular desk set to sitting height. Start small. Attach standing to certain tasks. So meetings, stand. Reading emails, stand. Deep focus work, sit. I stand maybe 3 to 4 times in an 8 hour day, maybe 20 to 30 minutes each. And that's basically it. Your body needs time to adapt to these things. Those tiny muscles in your feet and legs that have been basically sleeping for years, they need time to gradually awake. Get the right height. Oh, you know what? Let me show you. Now, remember, I just got off of work, so my desk isn't, show ready, but you know what? It's realistic that way. Your arm should be somewhere around 90 degrees. We're not all robots. We're not all built the same. So personally, I like having it like this because my mouse and keyboard are positioned. You can have it higher, but depending on your desk, you might not have like a lip or an edge lip like this. So it might cut into your arms. So whatever feels comfortable with you just being able to mess with your mouse and keyboard or whatever other gadgets you have. I sometimes lean. So if I'm reading something, I might lean like this. Again, it's to move. It's to not just sit or stand. It's to do anything in between. Again, we're not robots. We don't have all the same bodies, but also we don't have to just stand at attention all day. That's your desk height. Now your monitor eye level should be facing somewhere straight ahead or down. If you're hunching, you're doing it wrong. Of course, if your neck's cranked, you're also doing it wrong. Accessories help as well too. You can get an anti-fatigue mat. I don't like them. I've tried some. It keeps you standing, which kind of defeats the whole purpose. Because again, it's not just about standing or sitting. It's about everything in between. I like me a wobble board. It mimics the natural side-to-side motion of walking. And I found with this, I can stand twice as long than any single desk mat. There are some that move in circles. There are some that only move side to side. I just think it's a great accessory to help you stand, but also move. So I have these stretching calf raise blocks. I use them to stretch my ankles, my calves, my Achilles tendons, whatever, just to get me loose. It's just passive stretching. It's another great use of a standing desk for all of the passive things you can do while you're working. Or you can have a under desk treadmill, which my wife has one and she loves it, just uses it to walk all day. You can also do little mini exercises. You got this little muscle right here, right? From your abs to your legs. And because most people sit all day, they atrophy. And so you have to strengthen it. It helps you with squatting, just movement, all that jazz. So one thing that I will do is actually, we'll use this desk as a target. So for example, watch. And I'll have like a certain number, doesn't matter exactly what it is, or I have a certain time length. And sometimes maybe during meetings or if I'm reading or if I'm doing whatever, I just exercise it and it really feels really good, and it does carry over to, again, squatting and other leg mobility options. When you sit all day, standing still doesn't fix it. Movement does. So I do leg raises using my desk as a guide, calf raises during board meetings, and I shift weight between my feet with the board. And the desk kind of becomes a mini gym equipment, but it's not full workouts, just passive stretching, which is another thing to use the desk to kind of get you moving. Better energy, hopefully fewer aches, and you get to use this cool thing that you bought. I think of it less as furniture, more of a tool or an equipment. I've converted my wife, my mom, my mother-in-law, and some of her friends into standing desks. Not because I'm preaching about health, but because they see me use it to move. They see me use it for multiple purposes throughout the day, and they can do the same for them. If you're new to a standing desk, it's not furniture, it's a permission to move, it's a tool. So don't try to stand all day. Start moving throughout your day. Your body will thank you. And if you have any questions about the lifestyle of a standing desk or any concerns, let me know and I'll help you out.